Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from Eyespecs.com. Today we'll be taking a look at Etnia Barcelona sunglasses in model 1HVFU. The color of the frame is fuchsia, and these glasses are an oval shape. Its temples are pink and the temple tips are Havana. On its inner right temple, you'll find the model name, which is Madelein, the model number, which is 1HVFU, and the dimensions of the frame. 53 is for its lens, 19 is for its bridge, and 142 is for its temples. On its inner left temple, you'll find the Etnia Barcelona logo, and that it's made in Spain, as well as the serial number. These glasses also come with an Etnia Barcelona box, Etnia Barcelona case, a white Etnia cleaning cloth, and a manufacturer booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.